Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Barbeque Nation IPO started yesterday, 24th March. Today is the second day of the IPO. I wanted to make an updated video to share the grey market premium as well as subscription details so far. Today is the second day. Tomorrow, 26th March, is the last day of the IPO. Issue price 498 to 500 rupees per share. Institutions 0.37 times subscribed. HNIs 0.07 times. Retail investors 6.14 times. Total so far 1.33 times subscribed. Still 2 days to go. Grey market premium as on today is zero. There is no premium at all because the company is in loss currently. What are the observations? Number one, the grey market premium is zero, so investors are not having much expectation from this IPO. Two, also the quota for retail investors is only 10% and hence majority applicants will not get allotment. 3. There is a chance that the IPO may list flat or even negatively since there is no grey market premium and overall markets are very negative during the last few days. Nifty has been weak. All over the world, stock markets are falling because of the coronavirus situation, and so this listing could become very weak in the next week. Personally, we are not applying for this IPO due to the grey market premium and other fundamentals being very bad. Barbeque Nation financials, I'm going to show it to you once again. 2018 March, 590 crores total revenue, loss minus 5.8. 2019, 742 crores total revenue, loss is 38 crores. 2020 March, 850 crores total revenue and the loss is 33 crores approximately. 8 months ending 30th November 2020, 237 crores total revenue and the loss after tax is 101 crores. So financials are not looking so strong as of now. Watch this video twice, watch our previous video on Barbeque Nation IPO and then take a final decision whether you want to apply for this IPO or not. If this video was useful for you, please type useful in the comment section. If this video was good, please press the like button and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.